Hello guys, all TVcians. I have TVC bu chakhalan pam jaba aduba economy developer amani hang si mayam da thamjagadurba topic asi emin PB ba adugumba life force restoration plan in TVC haibadugi matang dani ai mati amtang thamjarake yam ri chawi adubu ai kitang summary oina khantoga aikoi ai samjabani ahen ba orgasu blog ta sang gamsi biba ai we now have an assembly base under the marketing area of Kringle Cash Back Office kcbo full stop. We are supporting the import to distribute the funds that belong to the people through the help life force full stop. For thousands of years evil preside have had control over those the funds, and we appreciate the restoration plan King Roggins has put together to return the funds to the people in our generation. Attempts to mass adoption training are most important than ever. First of all, it, it is okay to benefit financial in doing this service. First of, I look forward to teaching you all so much. Sigumna aikaina life force restoration plan asida TBC ke duma KSBO asida yengbirakanda aina mathaga thamjariba khara si ekoi aina panjabani ayambati nate adra hene yengbininga leragasu ekoi life force restoration plan in TBC habit changbirakanda ekoi loina upuyoni masini aina ngasi mayam kumda thamjariba topic asi matang asida app ki topic asi loijare khudimuk thagachari. Thank you.